Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's Jailbreak update video. Boy, it's been a fun week. Now, there hasn't been anything major happen this week, but there have been a lot of little things that have made for a pretty substantial week in the jailbreaking community. A couple days ago, I reported on some new exploits released by Ian Beer for iOS 11.1.4. If you guys want to check that out, that's an awesome video as well. But if you guys just want the latest information in an awesome source, just check the first link down below in this video's description for the latest jailbreaking news. The link is dynamically updated, so you guys will always stay up to date. Anyway, let's get into today's news. Just a few things that I wanted to point out and highlight. First and foremost, we heard from Coolstar with a minor update to the Electra jailbreak. It sounds like some of the default sources that will come included have been modified and changed. So directly from Coolstar, he says, with the latest update, the Dynastic repo is now a default repository or source when you initially jailbreak with the Electra jailbreak. So that's really cool. We get another source right there that comes pre-installed when you initially jailbreak. But the really interesting part of this tweet comes in the later half. He says, in preparation for launching Sileo soon. So I'm super excited, guys. Hopefully we will be receiving this new package installer relatively soon. Now, it's really interesting that we actually have two major jailbreaks in the community right now for iOS 11 to 11.1.4, Beta 3 being Uncover, and the Electra jailbreak. And as you guys know, the Electra jailbreak will soon be transitioning over to Sileo, which is a new modern package installer aimed at replacing Cydia entirely on the Electra jailbreak. So I'm really interested if you guys are going to transition back to Electra or use Sileo once it's released. Are you guys going to stick with Cydia and Uncover, or are you guys going to go back to Electra and use Sileo once it has been released by Coolstar? Anyway, guys, that was an awesome update. Some other minor updates. The Uncover jailbreak has yet another update fixing issues for users on iOS 11.4 Beta 3. So that's awesome news. Pretty much the majority of the updates and bug fixes for the Uncover jailbreak have now all been pushed. The rootfs restore option has now been fixed on all firmwares, and Pwn2Own actually tweeted this out saying that Rolectra, as well as Rolectra Jailed being the version that you don't need to be jailbroken to install, you can actually just sideload this and actually restore your entire file system or just remove jailbreak files. That application is going to be updated very soon to include support for iOS 11 all the way up to iOS 11.4 Beta 3. As you guys know, right now support is hit and miss, but again, it sounds like Pwn2Own is crossing his T's and dotting his I's, finishing up all the minor little adjustments surrounding his jailbreak utility as well as his unjailbreak utility. Anyway, guys, some awesome news to come. I'm super excited to see where these developers take the future of iOS jailbreaking. Again, stay tuned for Sileo. That is going to be released very soon, as Coolstar has noted. Again, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this new package installer, if you're even going to attempt to use it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, you know what to do. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.